Hello folks, Waz here from B&B. What are we doing today? We have a VW Jetta in with a MIB system that we've removed. Customer wanted better DAB and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, etc. So we've now fitted a KENWOOD DMX7722DABS. It works fine, and as you can see, steering wheel controls are working. We've got all the Apple CarPlay stuff working. Go to KENWOOD and we've got DAB, and then obviously retained the reverse camera. In this case, we've also ran something we haven't done for years, which is an aux cable, because the customer wants to use his mini disc, which we haven't seen for years, but we've accommodated that and done it for him. So if something like this interests you, give us a ring. Waz, B&B Audio Concepts, 02920 707 275, and we are part of the KENWOOD Pro scheme. Thank you very much for watching.